internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the March Zenpop box. This is actually going up pretty late and I'm actually filming it pretty late too. I've had this box for a while, but I have just not had any time to film it. I have been in the pits of newbornness, so that's exactly why. But hopefully we'll see how things go. I'm hoping things pick up soon. So anyways, I don't know if this box is still available, but for the sake of completion, I wanted to film it anyways. This is the March box. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Oh, I remember I saw online that there was some new colors that came out recently. So all the pens I'm going to put aside so that I can test them out later. I think those are all the pens. All right, cool. So first up, we have... Sorry, that's just Tobias closing the outside door because I'm filming in the middle of the night. This is some washi tape, although it looks really different to standard washi tape. It looks really different. I'm just going to open it up because I'm actually curious. Oh, it's like literally tape. Like, you know what I mean? Like strips. That's kind of cool. And then we have little note paper, washi mini letter set. Ah, okay, letter set. Oh, I'm so zoomed in. Is that better? There's a mini letter set. That's kind of cute. And then we have some flake stickers. About time. I've actually run out of flake stickers. Weird, I know. It sounds weird. Who runs out of flake stickers? I do, because I actually now use a lot of the stuff to decorate orders that go out for my shop. I just feel like it just adds a little something, and people seem to like it, so I am excited to start using these ones. This looks like an eraser. I'm not like familiar with this. I see these at the temples in Japan sometimes, but I think you tie this on. It is an eraser, the texture, but you tie this on, and then there's these little phrases here that you would stick on the back. You know what, I'm going to translate this so I know what it is. So these are essentially like fortunes that you're looking for. So first one is really more about education, doing well in education. This one is around romantic love. You can see the little hearts next to it. And the last one is more generic. It's like any wishes that you want to come true. I really love this idea. I'm not gonna lie. I think for me, I'm not doing education. I am happily married, so I'm going to use this one and I'm going to stick it in the back and I'm going to hang this off something that I use. That's so cool. We have Omamori card. Oh, okay. That's cute because you can see these are they're folded up in this version here, but this is what they would look like. If you open it up, you can write a little message. So, in case you don't know, omamori is like protection. It's like those charms that you get from the temples. Actually, you can get them all year round, but the first 4 days of the year are like the most significant days. And they stand for things like any sort of goals or wishes or premonitions or whatever you have for the year. So similar to what I just showed you before, some of the omamori cards can be for like safe driving or exams or lots of money or healthy birth and all sorts of stuff. So I think this one you can just write your own, which is really cute. And then, oh, I thought this was going to be the last one, but no, this is like note paper. Yeah, let's see. It is essentially a notepad that allows you to write in Japanese. It's the perfect size for it. Good for practicing, I reckon. Which, you know, quite frankly, I need to get back to practicing Japanese. I've been really slack on that. And then these are some washi paper stickers. Cool. So that's everything in March box. Let's go test out those pens. So the first one I'm going to do these Uni 1 pens, white and metallic color. So I'm pretty sure white won't show up on this, but let's try it anyways. So let's do silver first. So these are gel pens and they are 0.38, so basically 0.4. Oh wow, okay. I'm just gonna color a little so hopefully it shows up a bit better. is quite metallic. And then we have the gold version. This is so fine tip. Oh, wow. I used to be so into fine tip, and lately I'd much rather something thicker that shows out, because I feel like this is so fine that it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so white's not going to show up in this one, will it? But the cover of this notebook, it's an old Zenpop sketchbook that I have. I wonder if the white will show up on the black here. Let's give it a shot. It does, guys. Can you see that? And it actually shows up pretty well. I find that I have struggled with a lot of white pens where they don't show up, but this one, I mean, it's thin. Okay, I take that back. It showed up before. Why was it working so well before and now? Yeah, okay, I might need to play around with it a little bit, but I'm excited. I wish it was a little thicker, but I'm excited. All right, just flipping back to this one because we still have this one to go. So this looks like a green metallic brush pen. Yeah, I feel like I've had some of these before, but they dry out. So I'm going to use it anyways. But I think I'm going to have to take this like ring off in the middle and then push down, and it releases the ink essentially. So yeah. There we go. Pushing down, and then I can squeeze the pen. Or shake it. Okay, what I'll do, I'll shake it. I'm gonna push it, and you can see the color kind of showing up. Whoops, I pushed it too hard. I'll do. All right. Okay, you can kind of see in this pool of color, it's like very metallic-y. Oh god, I pushed too much color out and it's kind of dripping now. Okay, I'm gonna just leave that. But anyways, that's what the brush pen looks like. Oh, it's gold. You can see now that it's drying, it's got gold micro shimmers in it. Look, these pens are really lovely so long as you get the color you want and everything like that. However, I do find that they dry out pretty fast. So once you've opened it like now, you probably want to try using it up pretty fast, because within the year, I find they dry out. And that's just my experience. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.